So as I mentioned, I'm out here on Blade. Blade is my 2023 Harley-Davidson RoadKing that's choloed out, and it's a nice little Vicla build I did from a all police edition RoadKing, and so these were the results. I bought it right here at HDofDC. Sometimes they have police overstock bikes, and as you can see, I added tons of chrome, Carlini bars, the 21-inch DNA twisted spoke wheel with a white wall, air suspension, center stand, fishtails, everything. And the best part about it is everything I have is always for sale. If you want to buy this bike from me for $27,000, hit me up at chriswise@gmail.com. So let's go over here.
All right, guys. Yep, you heard it right. The bike is for sale, and this is the 2023 Harley-Davidson RoadKing. It was the police edition, as you can see in some of the previous videos about this bike, and every detail about it as far as like putting things together is all on the channel. So it's got like 1,376 miles, and that's all just miles like between the dealership and then when I rode up to Glen Rock, Pennsylvania to take those photos at the ruins. And so yeah, so the bike is ready, it's prepared, it's already had a 3-hole change with the 1,000-mile service, and it's ready. I also have a few other sets of exhaust systems. It's got the Tab Zombie 50 cal exhaust and another set of fishtail mufflers. And as you can see, lots of chrome on the side, lots of bolt-on Kuryakyn parts and what have you. And some people said they didn't like this shield on the side of the tank, but that comes off pretty easy.